surprise comeback of some sort. Parang bigla na lang, boom, may teaser na, ayan na siya. Then boom, ayan na yung tour nyo agad. So was it planned? Yung mga old songs nyo, yung mga nung nag-uumpisa pa kayo, and then I'll ask you some questions. 5 seconds lang.
Alright.
Para masabi nyo yung simula ng song or yung wakas ng isang song.
Okay.
And then if you don't answer, I'm gonna ask you a question. So, isa-isa kayo para lahat makapag-talk kasi alam ko there's some people who are a bit quiet here. Okay, so ready na kayo.
Alright.
I think let's start with Ken first.
Alright.
Let's make it easy. Madali lang tong number 1. Okay, so the first song is, gusto ko i-recite nyo or i-sing nyo ang simula ng We Go Up. In 5, 4,
Yeah, we gonna go up.
3. Okay, correct! Ayan, sige. Easy lang, easy round. Mamaya yung medyo third line. Kaya nyo yun. Keme lang. Okay, next. Si Justin naman. Alright. Wakas ng mapa. 5, 4.
Ako naman.
Mali! Ay, nako!
Ako naman.
Wala.
Ako na!
Wala na.
Ako naman.
Out na.
Ako na! Ano ba yun?
Actually, test to kung mag-stay ka pa sa SB19.
Oh my goodness! Thank you so much,
Bye,
guys.
Okay, so this is the question. You can take the question or anyone else can answer.
Okay.
So you are headlining one of the biggest indoor arenas in the world, Philippine Arena. Ano yung reaction nyo nung nalaman nyo na finally, eto na, Kings of P-pop, Philippine Arena na, finally? Ganon. Go ahead.
Siguro, yeah, yung reaction namin talaga is, let's go. Parang gusto namin. Yung,
Yeah.
let's go, ngayon na. Hindi,
start
gusto
na.
talaga namin kasi nga, ilang taon na rin kami sa industry. And we've been performing a lot of times.
Yeah.
So parang, again, para namin hihigitan yung sagad na. So we really need to push with the bigger
Yeah.
venue to really measure and kumbaga celebration din siguro for us na gawin natin to with a bigger arena kasi yung etong simula at wakas, deserve niya yung marinig ng mas maraming tao, mas ma-experience siya ng sabay-sabay with so many people.
Oh, that's true. Oh, tama naman. Deserve na deserve. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. At dahil, hindi, kahit tumama ka, gusto ko sumagot ka pa rin ng question. Follow up lang. I wanna
Well,
know,
sige.
how does it feel na syempre you're kicking off your world tour on Philippine soil first? So, gaano ka taas yung binibigay niyong confidence sa inyo to go internationally after that?
Taas talaga.
Mataas talaga.
Taas
Well, I will
talaga.
get it naman.
Because dito kasi pag nag-kick off kasi kami, talagang binibigay namin lahat. Binubuhos namin lahat. Kasi hindi lang naman mga fans namin dito sa Pilipinas yung mga nanonood. Meron din from ibang part ng ng ibang country, ibang nationalities na pupunta sila dito para mapanood nila yung kick-off namin. Kasi it's to be honest, it's very different compare pag nasa US kami or pag nasa Asian countries kami. Dito talaga, pag nagka-concert kami dito talaga, binibigyan namin that. So,
Tama naman. Kaya mahal naman kayo ng
confident kayo
fans
pag pumunta
niyo.
kami sa ibang lugar din. Kasi,
That's great.
ganito din yung level ng ng concert natin na gawin natin. So,
Tsaka kayo na yan, Diyos ko naman, hindi naman kayo magte-trend for nothing. So deserve na deserve niyo yan. Okay, ikaw naman. It's your turn. Eto, madali lang din to. Simula ng ganito. Okay, 5, 4, 3.
One song, get some.
Ay, mali. Mali. Yung, I wanna get some. I want some, I got some later. Oo.
Some more you want some eh. Some sabi ko you want some.
Oo, yung simula, dapat exact. Dapat exact siya. Okay. Binago ko. Charot. Binago ng kodigo. Alright, so I'll ask you a question because of that. Gusto ko i-share niyo naman, what's the meaning behind yung simula at wakas? I'm sure malalim yung pinagugutan niyo for that kasi nga gusto niyo higitan kung ano pang nagawa niyo.
Kasi po, dahil may trilogy kami, pagtatag, at simula at wakas. So, even from 2019, naplano na po namin siya lahat. So, yun nga po yung question mark yung sprouting, yung tree, yung pagtatag, at yung seed or yung fruit nung simula at wakas. So yun nga, double meaning po siya. Is it the end or the beginning? So pwedeng for us po, it's a beginning of something na syempre, it's an end of a beginning. Yun. So kami po yung didictate kung kailan namin mawawakasan at kailan sisimulan. Sorry kung hindi pala yun ay parang for me, yun nga creative, ko siya, interpretation. For me kasi araw-araw, lagi kong tinatanong yung sarili ko, bakit ko nga ba ginagawa to? Bakit ko ba lahat pinupursue yung mga ganito, yung mga bagay na gusto namin?
Yeah.
Then, lagi kong binabalikan yung mga reasons ko from the very beginning. So, I think it's, ganun po namin siya tinitake, simula at wakas. Kumbaga, it's a beginning of the end.
Grabe, ang insightful nyo talaga. Parang ang sarap nyo ka-deep talks, no? Of course, last kay Stel. Hindi ko ma-expect mo naman tong last question. Wakas ng dam naman.
Wakas ng lamang pa isang pagusta!
I love it! At talagang winakasan nyo ng maganda tong interview.
Envy.
Thank you so much for being super game. At kahit hindi ko kayo masyadong natanong. Pero ito, ihahabulin ko lang tong last question ko na to. What's next for SB19 after the tour? Don't spoil us, but have you planned it already?
Actually, yes. Meron naman ng mga plans, may ideas na. But for us, it's something na parang iniisip pa rin namin siya kung talaga ba, gagawin pa natin to. But, syempre for the fans, parang ready kami to do it. And of course, para rin sa amin. Kasi, to be honest, yung itong trilogy na to, actually, hindi pa siya ended. I mean, you can feel na parang end siya, pero pwede siya mag-start ng something. So, it's an paulit-ulit na cycle. Cycle lang nga, ulit-ulit pa. Pero, it's a cycle na walang katapusan. So, parang yun siya. So, let's expect something, but hindi mo na mag-spoil ng something, but yeah, they can expect something.
Okay, we're so super excited for that. So thank you so much at binigyan niyo talaga ng time ang Mix.
Thank you.
So of course, to Mix fam and all of your 18s, magbigay naman kayo ng message for us.
Of course, Mix fam, nung nagsisimula kami talaga, nandiyan na kayo. And as far as I can remember, meron na kami isang magandang performance sa Mix before. Naalala niyo ba yun? Oo, yung bakit ba ikaw natin na talagang nag-trend na super favorite ng fans. Thank you for your support mula no. Patuloy pong namamayagpag ang musika ng Pilipino dahil po sa mga plataforma nyo. At thank you so much for supporting us all the way. And of course, to our 18, maraming salamat po. Mahal namin kayo. Mag-expect kayo ng marami from us dahil nag-ready kami ng something bigger para sa inyo. So yan. Thank you so much and keep supporting us. We love you all.
Alright, thank you so much. And of